For a triangle with side lengths A equals 2, B equals 3, and C equals 4, find the cosine of A, where A is the angle opposite the side of length A equals 2. Let's do a quick sketch here of what this might look like. Let's make this the long side right there. That is the C equals 4 side of the triangle. And then the shortest leg here is going to be A equals 2. And the other leg of the triangle will be B equals 3. This may not be exactly right, but it's pretty close. What we're interested in here is we are interested in the cosine of A, where A is the angle that is opposite the side of length little a, and so we want the cosine of that angle. Well, there is something that is known as the law of cosines, which is the way to solve this problem. And the law of cosine states the following. A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC times the cosine of the angle A. Now, this law of cosines applies to all triangles, not just right triangles. So you can see this is not a right triangle, yet we can still find the cosine of A in this case. Let's plug the numbers in. First of all, little a is equal to 2, so we have 2 squared is equal to B squared, and that's going to be 3 squared, plus 4 squared minus 2 times 3 times 4 times the cosine of A. Squaring those out, you have 4 is equal to 9 plus 16 minus 24 times the cosine of A. What we'd like to do now is combine a lot of these terms. You can see the 9 and 16 can be added together, so this is going to be 4 is equal to 25 minus 24 cosine of A. If you subtract 25 from both sides of the equation, you will be moving that number over here. When you subtract 25 from the left-hand side, you get negative 21. When you subtract 25 from the right-hand side, you get negative 24 times the cosine of A. Now, keep in mind what we're shooting for is we're trying to get the cosine of A. In this particular case, the cosine of A, if you divide both sides of that equation by negative 24, is going to be negative 21 divided by negative 24. Those two negatives cancel. Both the numerator and the denominator are evenly divisible by 3, so you can write the cosine of A in lowest terms as 7/8.